Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing another wig reinstall. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video.
He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas cause he never got his papers. He was born love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was
Make sure the hairline goes from ear to ear so that way you know that this wig is even. Push all the hair going to the back so you can start working on this lace, you guys. Then I'm going to take the Kiss Lace Bond Spray level 9. I do 2 layers of the Kiss Lace Bond Spray so that way this wig can be stuck.
like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's hot, but it's hot, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then look at other fingers. I'm in his zone.
Blow dry it on hot setting so it can get tacky. Once it's tacky, it's going to be sticky. So far, it is not tacky, so you want to keep blow drying it until it gets tacky. Tacky means it's going to be sticky. As you can see, now the lace is tacky. Do one more layer of the Kiss Lace Bond Spray. Once it's tacky, you want to lay the lace down. When you lay the lace down, do it super slow so that way it can be laid down and no lifting at all. But when it's time to lay it down, you want to go ahead and do your sections so that way it can be easier. Sometimes there will be some hair, so you want to push all that hair going to the back. But right now, you want to use the end of your comb to lay that lace down. Sometimes wig reinstalls are very difficult because the lace do not want to lay down at all. It be acting up. So sometimes you need to go and lay the lace down again a few times just for the lace to behave, which is very difficult. But if you know how to do it and you take your time and be patient, your lace is going to be laid.
Without Getsy, kitty on jet ski, panties in a wet tee. Give him that water ride. This that Six Flags, this that Chanel boy. Damn, I ain't seen Meek Millie in a week. 5 shows made 3.
Lay the lace back down using your Kiss Lace Bond Spray. Blow dry it on hot setting. Once it's tacky, lay the lace back down.
Damn, I ain't seen Meek Millie in a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. But now looking at the bisty elite. Too bad you can't go and invest in petite. Damn, I ain't seen Meek Millie in a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. But now looking at the bisty elite. Too bad you can't go and invest in petite. I'm in a week.
Now I'm going to cut off any extra lace because I don't like how it looks. And now the lace is laid down. Use some Kiss Lace Bond Spray on top of the lace, only on the edges so that the lace can be melted at the same time while being laid.
The bestie elite, too bad you can't go and invest in petite. I'm bestie elite, too bestie elite, bestie elite, too bestie elite, bestie elite, too bestie elite, bestie elite, too bestie elite. Damn, I ain't seen Meek Millie in a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. But now looking at the bestie elite, too bad you can't go and invest in petite. Damn, I ain't seen Meek Millie in a week.
Use the end of your comb on hot setting and lay the lace down. Once you're done laying the lace down, your lace should be nice, no lifting at all.
The bad you can't go and invest in petite. I'm doing now looking at the bad you can't go and invest in petite. I'm doing now looking at the bad you can't go and invest in petite.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come on?
Let us begin with the bad.
You need to be using your melting band. That is how your melting band will make your lace lay down, melt it at the same time. Leave it on for at least 15-20 minutes so your wig can be stuck like glue, no lifting at all. Now it's time to remove that melting band. Your lace should be stuck and melted. What did I say? Where is the lace? The lace is giving scalp already, and your wig should be stuck. As you can see, this wig is stuck like glue. Now it's time to use the Frontal Queen melting spray on your lace. As soon as you use the melting spray, your lace is going to be extra melted. At the same time, blow dry it on cold setting. Once you blow dry everything on cold setting, put your melting band back on for at least 15 and 20 minutes. Remove it, and as soon as you remove it, you're going to style your hair.
Switch like that.
You want to add some makeup on your lace, a little bit of makeup so your lace won't be cakey. And then after you're done melting your lace even more, you want to add some makeup even inside your part so your part can actually be showing and pop. Wax stick, when you use your wax stick, a little bit goes a long way. Do it so that way you won't have any flyaways. And then you want to take your hot comb. When you're hot combing your wig, do it super slow so no flyaways and your wig can be flat and not give Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. This is a synthetic wig detangling spray and a leave-in. I'm going to use it on this hair so it can be detangled and be super soft, you guys. Next step is actually styling this hair. Make sure you wet this hair a lot, and then I'm going to take some actual hair products. You can figure out which hair product you want to use. I'm going to use mousse. This is the final results. I have not had a blonde human hair wig in over a year. I love the texture of this hair. I wish it was a little bit more thick. It's a 13x4. I did a side part. Y'all, wig reinstalls are the most difficult thing, but you can do it, y'all, as long as y'all follow my tutorial. And this is gonna eat down every single time.